Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. There is the many animal here and there is the first one is here. Look at this. This is so nice and beautiful here. This is a snail. Look at this. This is snail is so nice and beautiful. So I collecting the snail also at side here. There is the next one. Oh my god, this is a pretty and nice and beautiful. This is a octopus. This is so nice and beautiful octopus. So I collecting this octopus at side here. There is a another one. Oh my god, this is a lobster. See, this is a lobster. It's so nice and beautiful. I collecting this one also here. There is the next one. Oh, this is just so nice and beautiful. Tora. So okay, this is so nice. Toras. So I collecting the Toras also at side here. There is the another one. Oh, this is a so nice and beautiful shark here. Look at this is so nice shark. So I collecting this shark also at side here. There is another one. Oh, this is a very nice and beautiful squirrels. Look at this is so nice squirrels. So I collecting this squirrels also at side here. There is another one. Look at this is a very nice and beautiful shark here. So I collecting this different model shark also at side here. There is another one. Oh, this is a very angry another one shark here. I collecting this one also at side here. There is the next one. Oh, this is a Very beautiful snake here. Look at this is so nice snake. So I collecting this snake outside here. There is another one. Oh, see, this is a very nice tuna fish. Look at this is so nice and beautiful tuna fish here. So I collecting this one also outside here. There is another one. Oh my god, this is a blue whale. Look at this. This is so nice blue whale. So I collecting this blue whale outside here. There is another one. Oh, this is so nice and funny dolphin here. Look at this is so nice and pretty. I collecting this one outside here. And there is the another one. Oh my god. Look at this. This is a beautiful shark here. So I collecting this shark also outside here. So guys, today ending my video here, and see you soon with next time with many colorful of animals. Thank you so much.